Let's set the scene. You're at a trendy coffee shop, paying for your latte with crypto. Feels futuristic, right? But that simple transaction just left a digital breadcrumb on a public blockchain. Anyone can follow that trail, straight to you. It's like paying for coffee with a check, but the check reveals your entire bank statement. Now maybe you don't care if someone sees your coffee purchase. But what if you use that same wallet to donate to a cause or pay for something sensitive? Suddenly, your whole financial history is out there, linked to one digital address. Your wallet isn't anonymous, it's just pseudonymous, like wearing a mask, but your name's tattooed on your forehead. Every transaction is recorded forever, on a public digital spreadsheet anyone can analyze. Employers, landlords, even strangers could see your spending habits. The crypto wallet that promised freedom? It's become a gossip columnist for your bank account. That latte? Now a privacy liability. Once it's on the blockchain, it's permanent. No takebacks. We want security and decentralization, but not at the cost of broadcasting our financial diary to the world. So, how do we prove we did something without revealing everything? The public ledger, blockchain's backbone, is like the world's most obsessive bookkeeper. Every transaction is recorded and shared across thousands of computers. No one controls it. No government can shut it down. It's decentralized and secure. This radical transparency prevents fraud. Everyone can verify every transaction. It's trust without a middleman. And for things like supply chains or elections, it's revolutionary. But here's the catch. This openness is also a privacy nightmare. Anyone can see the flow of funds between wallet addresses. Your real name isn't on the ledger, but it's easy to link your wallet to your identity. One slip, like using an exchange that requires ID, and your entire financial history is exposed. Imagine your bank statement posted in Times Square. We love the security and decentralization, but we also want privacy. It's the classic have your cake and eat it dilemma. We need trust from verification, but privacy from discretion. Do we choose an open but invasive system, or a private but centralized one? That's the core conflict in crypto today. So, are we stuck? Transparent but exposed, or private but centralized? Enter zero-knowledge proofs, ZKPs, a cryptographic breakthrough. ZKPs let you prove something is true without revealing the details. You can show you have enough funds without exposing your balance, history, or wallet address. It's like flashing a driver's license without showing your name or photo. Instead of broadcasting every detail, you share a tiny, elegant proof. The network is convinced your transaction is valid, without seeing the who, what, or how much. Privacy is built in, not bolted on. ZKPs are a paradigm shift, decentralized, secure, and private. They're the missing piece that could finally make crypto mainstream. With ZKPs, you get both trust and privacy. How do ZKPs work? Let's use a classic analogy. Imagine you have two balls, one red, one green, and a colorblind friend. You want to prove the balls are different colors, without revealing which is which. Your friend hides the balls, maybe switches them, then shows you. You can always tell if they switched, but never reveal which is red or green. After enough rounds, your friend is convinced you know the secret, without learning the secret itself. That's a zero-knowledge proof, proving you know something without revealing what it is. On a blockchain, your wallet acts as the prover, generating a proof that you have enough funds. The network acts as the verifier, checking the math. If it adds up, the transaction is approved. No details revealed. It's a cryptographic dance trust, without exposure. You prove you know the secret, but the secret stays hidden. That's the magic of ZKPs. So, what does a ZKP transaction look like on a blockchain? On Bitcoin or Ethereum, a transaction shows sender, receiver, amount, and time, forever public. With ZKPs, the ledger just says, a valid transaction happened. Sender, receiver, and amount, all encrypted. Instead of raw data, you post a cryptographic proof. The network verifies the proof. If it's valid, the transaction is added. Validation is separated from content. The blockchain stays secure and fraud-proof, but your privacy is protected. You can transact freely, knowing your data is yours. The public ledger becomes a system for verification, not surveillance. It's the best of both worlds. Public trust, private details. ZKPs turn the blockchain into a privacy-preserving powerhouse. That's the real magic. If ZKPs are so great, why aren't they everywhere? The challenge, they're complex and computationally heavy. Verifying a proof is easy. Generating one takes serious processing power. That means ZKP transactions can be slower and more expensive. But the tech is evolving fast. What took minutes now takes seconds. Zcash pioneered private transactions with ZKPs, proving it's possible. Now, Ethereum and others are adopting ZKPs for privacy and scalability. ZKPs are a powerful antidote to the surveillance economy. They let us interact and transact without giving up our right to privacy. The road ahead is challenging, but the destination is a more secure, private digital future. ZKPs could finally deliver on crypto's original promise. And that's a future worth building.